Welcome to XXL RC. Today, we're on a very wet XXL RC playground. It has been raining all day. We finally caught a break. We got a little bit of daylight left, and we're gonna have some fun in this water that has infiltrated the playground. So I got a little bit different truck today. This one's an older one. I've had it for many years, and seems like a lot of people have kind of forgotten about this truck. Traxxas Summit. This was one of my favorite trucks when I first got back into RC back in like 2013 or so. This thing was like the crawler before crawlers. See, it's got the same TQI remote with that extra channel so you can lock and unlock the diffs just like the TRX4 and the TRX6. So this was kind of the pioneer of that whole section of RC. It does have the micro servos for the front and rear diffs, and it also has a 2-speed transmission. There's a little micro servo there to shift the transmission high and low. This just has the stock Traxxas EVX2 and the Titan 775, which is just a monster brushed motor. This thing is pretty well stocked. The CVDs have been swapped out to MIP metal CVDs, and then I swapped out the wheels for the IMEX Swamp Dawgs. They're a very wide tire. It's gonna be a lot of fun out there in these big puddles. Well, that's almost a pond over there, but we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I'm just waiting on batteries to charge up, and we'll take it out for a rip. Oh man, I can't believe how quickly the weather changes. I ran in to get my batteries, which, by the way, we're gonna run the same Venom power, 5,000 milliamp hour, 2 cells. Got 2 of them to go in this thing. It runs dual batteries. Those are the same ones my daughter ran in her Rustler in a previous video. I'll link that up above. But I came back out, it was pouring rain, but I already got everything set up, so hood's up. We ain't gonna melt out here. Let's get to it. If you're not familiar with the Summit, this uses the same chassis as the classic E-Revo. It's got the same kind of shocks that kind of lay down with the cantilevers. And then these are the battery trays. The batteries just kind of fit down into the chassis. So you're kind of limited to what you can use. I just use some regular size packs and they fit pretty good in there. Got a little notch right there at the door. Batteries in. Oh, it's deeper than I thought. This, I think, is a lot deeper than that over there that we just went through. Let's see if our tires live up to their name, Swamp Dawg. Here we go. Oh. We're gonna make it. It's like a boat. Well, that may have been too much water. We seem to be, as they say, dead in the water. It's not going anywhere. We lost our lights, so let me just check that. Well, I got the body off. We have picked up a lot of pine needles. Everything looks okay under here. Let's see. Oh yeah, power right back on. We got steering. Do we got throttle? We sure do. All right, well, thought we were gonna have to cut this one short. I think it's okay. Maybe we just won't take it in the deep water anymore. Well, we gave it our best shot. I did a little bit of running with the Summit, as you saw, but we went through that very deep puddle over there and it just cut out. It appeared to be like in some kind of protection mode. It had a flashing red light on the ESC. I'll have to look up what that is. I don't remember if that's the low voltage cutoff, which it could be, or if it's something else. So I unplugged the battery. It still kind of stayed on for a couple of seconds anyways, and then plugged everything back in. It seemed okay. I took off and then it just cut out again. So I brought it back over here, did the same thing, took off, and it cut out. So I think that's gonna do it for today. You can see it's still on, the lights are on. I got steering, but just no throttle at all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.